Good morning, boys and girls. It is Thursday. So I have a couple things to talk about today that I am excited to talk about. So I'm in the yellow. I'm feeling excited again. Making these videos for you makes me really excited. Um, Sometimes I do though lately. Sometimes I do feel in the blue because sometimes I really do miss you guys and it makes me kind of sad. Um, so sometimes I've been feeling in the blue and I get sad thinking about how I miss you guys, but then to get myself up to the yellow or to the green, I just think about all the fun things we've done together. And then I look at the pictures your parents or grandparents have sent me. And then that helps me get back to the green and the yellow. But I'm not going to lie. Sometimes Miss Thompson does feel in the blue sometimes. And I miss you guys a lot and it makes me sad. But we have to remember it's okay to be sad. It's okay to have those feelings. But then we have to figure out ways to get ourselves back to the green and back to the yellow so we don't stay sad. Okay? So think about where you are and go ahead and check in this morning. Go ahead and check in and think about how you're feeling. And it's okay to feel however you feel. All right. Now let's move on. I have a surprise, okay? Now, this is a surprise for Miss Thompson's class, but I'm going to actually add in um, the ones from Miss Johnson's class and for Miss All's class tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to do theirs too, but this one is for Miss Thompson's class. Ready? Not this stuff. We're going to keep going. It's the next page, okay? I wanted to celebrate our terrific kid for March because, guys, we didn't get to do our terrific kid in March. And guess who it was? It was Aubrey. And was that a good choice, do you think? Yes, Aubrey is a great friend, and that's why she was picked as terrific kid. So here's what we're going to do. I want everybody to say, "Good job, Aubrey." And I'm sure she's gonna maybe she can feel your love coming to her. I don't know, but it just be nice that she knows you're thinking about her right now. And let's read about why I picked Aubrey as our terrific kid. It says, "We are so excited to announce that our terrific kid for March is Aubrey. Aubrey comes to school each day ready to learn and make positive choices. She works hard to meet her educational and behavior goals each and every day. Aubrey is a wonderful friend, and she is always sure to take care of her school family. Aubrey follows our classroom rules, pride expectations school-wide, and our playground rules. You can always see her with a smile on her face while working hard in the classroom. We are so proud of you, Aubrey. Way to go. Love, Miss Thompson, Miss Dawson, and Miss Hazelden." So, Aubrey, we are so proud of you, honey. And I think in the mail, all the Terrific Kids for March, you're going to get your packet. So even though you didn't get to go to the Terrific Kids ceremony and get your prizes, I think Miss Chivers said she's mailing you your surprises. So be on the lookout for that in the mail, okay? Great job, honey bunny. And I will put Miss Alls and Miss Johnson's up here tomorrow because I know they watch these calendar lessons too. All right, next page, and I have another surprise on this page. Ready? All right. Here we go. So let's talk about the date. All right, remember we're in a new month, and what's our new month called? April. That's right, say April. Good. And yesterday was Wednesday, it was Music Day, and today is Thursday. And look at this cake. Whose birthday did we say it was? It's James's birthday, so I want to say happy birthday, James. I wish you were in the classroom so I could give you your birthday stuff and make sure you got to wear the birthday cape, but I'm sure you're going to have a fun birthday at home. I do have one other surprise for you at the end of calendar lesson, okay? All right, so we know that it is James's birthday. So we are going to go ahead and count to today. This is going to be quick. Ready? Watch. One, two, because it's April 2nd. So let's write a two. Let's write a two right here. Are you writing your two? Great job. Now to find the two. Where is a two? Where is a two? This has a two in it, but it's not a two by itself. That's 21, so that can't be it. There's 2 2s, but that's 22. This is it. Yes, let's move it up here. And let's say the date together. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Very good job. Now remember, next week is spring break and we won't have any school next week, okay? All right. Let's talk about the weather. Now you can get up and you can go check the weather at your house and look out the window and see what the weather is. I'm going to check the weather on here too. All right, so let's look right here. It looks like it's going to be a sunny day and it's going to be nice outside. It's going to be a little chilly tonight, but it is going to be nice and sunny and a little warmer. That'll be nice. So I'm going to go ahead and put that it's a sunny day. All right, I'm going to use yellow for sun. Oh wait, before I do that, I have to erase this. And I am going to use yellow for sunny. All right, so we have how many? We have 1, so we need to write a 1 because 0 plus 1 equals 1. And now what do we have? Yep, sunny is equal to which one? It's equal to cloudy. Sunny and cloudy are equal. Very, very good job. And partly cloudy and rainy and snowy and windy are equal because they all have 0. Awesome job. All right, let's keep going. All right, we have to figure out how many days we have left in school. So we're going to erase this. I thought that was something I could erase. All right, and we're going to take away 1 day. Boop, there we go. I'm going to erase this red line now. We are done with that. All right, let's figure out how many days are left in school. Go ahead and try right now. Let me see you try to figure it out. You should be counting by tens and ones. All right, let's count together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. It's 38. So we need to write a 3 because we have how many tens? We have 3 tens. And how many ones do we have? How many ones do we have? Yes, we have 8 ones. So it's 38. Good. See? 1, 2, 3 tens and 8 ones down here. And this can't be a full 10 because it's not full. Great job writing your numbers. I'm so glad you're practicing all the time. All right, let's keep going. All right, snap word of the day. Yesterday our word was yellow. And we've done red. We're going to do another, we've been working on these color words. We're going to do another color word. Okay, we're going to do another color word. All right. We are going to do the word blue. All right, I picked blue for a couple reasons. I like blue, and also blue has a blend, and blends are something we were working on a lot right before we left school. So let's talk about the word blue. I hear a blend at the beginning. Okay, what do you hear? Bl. What 2 letters? Yep, B and L. And then blue is B-L-U-E. This is how you write blue. Good job. That's how you spell blue. Now let's read it. Everybody say it. Blue. Good. Now let's study it. Let's study it. And what did we just say it has at the beginning? We just said it has a blend right there, didn't we? A blend. Blend has the same blend as blend. All right, so we see 2 tall letters. Yeah, B and L are both tall letters. And then how many vowels do we see? Yes, we see 1, 2, a U and an E, and then these are 2 consonants. So it has 2 consonants and 2 vowels. Do we see any tails? I don't see any tails. Let's see how many word parts, how many syllables it has. Ready? Blue, just one part. All right, let's spell it together. Step 3 is spell it. Ready? B-L-U-E. Blue. Very good. And now we need to write it again. Let's all write it. Blue. Good writing. Good writing. And you should be thinking about a sentence you could write that has the word blue in it. You can make up your own sentence or you can write with me. It's up to you. Okay? It's up to you guys. I know some kids are pausing the video right now and then they write their own sentence and then they see what I write. Some people are following along with me and that's fine. It is up to what you want to do, okay? And what you like doing. But I'm going to write, if you want to write with me, I'm going to write. And I'm going to use blue. I'm going to use a different color blue. I'm going to use this blue. I'm going to write, I'm going to write, we see the blue sky. We see the blue sky. So let's write that. So we have to write we first. Let's see how many words that is. We see the blue sky. So that's 5 words I need to plan. Now the first letter of a sentence needs to be what? Uppercase. And y'all should be getting good at that. We, W, E, right? That's a snap word. Finger space. We see. That's also a snap word that you guys know. S, E, E. We see the. Oh, another snap word you guys know in a snap. We see the blue. Now here's where you need to look at your new snap word and write blue. Oh no, it's doing that thing again, boys and girls. Remember when it did this that time? I wish I knew why it did that. All right, well, you know what? If it keeps doing that to us and we can't write it, just let's do our best. Miss Thompson didn't mean to mess all that up. You guys are probably writing better than me even. We see the blue sky. Now listen, sky has another blend at the beginning, okay? It says sk. What blend, what letters do we think says sk? And I want you to listen to the first sound, s, which is an S, sk. What it says k, and it could, you're right, it could be C or K. But in the word sky, it's K, like skateboard, sky. So let's write that. S, K. And what do we hear after that? Sky. Yeah. And it kind of sounds like two things. It kind of sounds like an I or a Y. Okay, and on and sky, it's a Y. So I want you to write that Y. Now, if you heard an I and you already wrote that, that's fine too. We see the blue sky. And what goes at the end of our sentence? Yes, a period. I saw your writing yesterday on our Zoom lesson, and I know you're writing so good. Great job, everybody. So good. All right, let's keep going. All right, and so yesterday, that's right, we did that addition problem with the flowers, didn't we? We did an addition problem with the flowers. Now, we did addition where we added it together, right? I told you a story and then we figured out what it was. Today, we're going to do one where, again, I'm going to say it and you have to say, is it adding together or are we taking away? All right, you ready? We're going to try it. Let me erase this. Erase. All right, here we go. Ready? All right. We're going to use Aubrey and James. We're going to use Aubrey because she's the terrific kid, and we're going to use James because it's his birthday. All right, so let's say that James, here's my story. Listen, James had 9 balloons. James had 9 balloons. And then Aubrey gave James 1 balloon. How many balloons do they have together now? Let's say it one more time. James had 9 balloons. Aubrey gave him 1 balloon. How many balloons does James have now? Now tell me, was that adding together or were we taking things away? What were we doing? We were adding them together, that's right. And so James had 9 balloons. Let's go ahead and draw that. Let's draw 9 balloons. You know how to draw a balloon? You can kind of just draw it, the best you can. Go ahead and try. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to make sure I have 9. Yep, I checked them. And if it takes you a second, that's okay. Go ahead and take your time. James had 9 balloons right here, 9. Okay, and then Aubrey, how many balloons did Aubrey give him? Let's give him a green balloon, Aubrey. Aubrey gave him another balloon, right? How many balloons do they have? Remember, we were adding together, so count them and see how many he has. You might already know this, and that's wonderful. I'm very proud of you. Let's see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it's 10. Now let's write our equation. Ready? All right. James had 9 balloons, and Aubrey gave him 1. So we added, so we need that symbol for adding. Gave him 1. And what does that equal? This is the symbol for equal. What does that equal? 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Great job, everybody. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Kiss your brains. Well done. All right, the last surprise is for James for his birthday. Ready? Did you remember that when you are the birthday person, you get to be the hero of the day? And we haven't had a hero of the day in a long time. So I know we're not at school, and I know that James can't be the line leader at school, but James can be the line leader at home. He can lead the line at home. Maybe he can go first to get his dinner. Maybe he can be first to get a snack. I don't know. It's up to your parents, James. You have to ask them. I'm just saying, when you're at school and it's your birthday in our class, you get to be the hero of the day. So we're going to pick James as the hero of the day, and we're all going to write James's name. We're all going to write James, okay? I'm going to use yellow, James. Everybody, let's write James. Oh, wait, that's right. This doesn't go here. Although that could work too. This goes up here, and then I don't know where that came from. We are going to write James right here. All right, ready? J A M E S. And now it says, the hero of the day is James. All right, James, I love you bunches, and I'm sorry you're not at school to be the hero of the day, but we still love you, and we still hope you have a happy birthday, and you're still the hero of the day right now, okay? All right. Bye, everybody. Good job on calendar this morning.